Anna Hazare is speaking at this time. I want to listen to what he's saying.
लाएंगे जन लोकपाल विधानसभा में नहीं आता, लोकसभा में आता, लेकिन अच्छा लोक आयुक्त लाएंगे। तो अभी जो अच्छा लोक आयुक्त लाना, किसी के साथ जुड़ने के बाद अच्छा लोक आयुक्त आएगा क्या, एक बात। दूसरा, खिचड़ी की सरकार, जो खिचड़ी बनाकर सरकार बनती है वो कभी भी ठीक नहीं चलती है। चलने से वो चलते का नाम गाड़ी, कोई करप्शन करेगा उसको संभालना, कोई क्या करता है उसको संभालना, ऐसे में होता है। लेकिन अरविंद ने एक अच्छा किया कि जीरो से ये लड़ी और कम से कम 24 सीटें, वो अंदाजा लगाया था लोगों ने कि 18 मिलेगी, लेकिन 24 जो कदम आगे बढ़े।
That's Anna Hazare now suddenly singing praises. This man is not consistent. You know, you have to at least give this much to Arvind Kejriwal, Shiv Vishwanathan, that he's consistent in what he says. Anna Hazare now saying, I'm glad one day he'll become chief minister. He's done not too badly. Just a couple of days before the elections, he was saying completely the opposite. Shiv Vishwanathan, your take on Anna Hazare?
I think Anna Hazare is one mannerism. He loves to give character certificates to everyone. He has given one to Arvind
And there's no
Kejriwal.
Consistency in his character certificates either.
No, I don't expect consistency from Anna Hazare. I think the power of Anna Hazare lies in the unexpected. And I think to a certain extent, without being ironic, he knows that he has been dumped out of history by Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, very clearly, this Tavleen Singh is as much of an affirmation as ever possible of the fact that Anna Hazare is a marginal, fringe, almost non-existent, non-consequential player, whereas Arvind Kejriwal as a political force in the Indian space is here as an entity possibly to stay.
But he was the first stage rocket on which this was launched.
Sure, sure.
Now that he's
then the satellite seems to have taken off.
Yeah, the problem is the satellite's taken off to a different orbit. Anna must be feeling a bit left out.
What's the escape velocity of this satellite?
Feeling in the ground now. It's a very interesting thing that's happened actually, because Anna Hazare rejected politics and wanted decisions on laws, etc., to be made in the street. Yeah. And you know, that is not the way democracies work. So Arvind Kejriwal took the right decision, and you know, good for him that he's at least now in a political sphere. You can talk to him politically, because the movement was just nonsense, you know. It was, we will make the laws in the streets, you know.